you know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you.
So guys, when you first come in, this is the front door. It's so super tall, y'all. It is super tall. And then, let me shed it. Something that I've been asking for a very long time. So let me shed it. Y'all already know. We got the office space here. Double door office space here. And then I already put my rug out from here because y'all already know what color my outfit's gonna be. And y'all, during the daytime, I love that lighting. During the daytime, the freaking lightning is freaking amazing. And this office is so big, I can't wait to get it done. And then, when you go out, here's a coat closet. Little coat closet. Yeah, I had to go get a couple groceries. And then as you arriving, y'all know I love a good old Allen. This is the Allen in the middle of the kitchen. Sorry about all the groceries up there. It's the refrigerator. And then this is the microwave and the stove. This is your girl pantry. Y'all, the camera is not giving how deep and beautiful this pantry is. It go in and it go all around. Y'all, all the way back there, man. That mud is crazy. Y'all, can I buy some food stamps? Okay, so over there, I guess they want a little dining area right here, which that ain't gonna happen because I'm not putting no table because I'm putting bar stools here. And this is the living room area over here with the vaulted ceilings. And put some lights on. I guess that's the outside lights. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Yes, ma'am, press ham. And then I like this little area right here. I love that. And that's our stove. Yeah, that's my stove right there. I always wanted one of these. Okay, you press this. Let's see. Oh. Oh, that's the light. Okay, y'all. That's how it go. This is that. The backsplash. Oh, Lord, y'all. Y'all, it is amazing. Flat top stove. My daughter had treated me to golden chick. I haven't ate it yet. But, y'all, I love it. Love. Whew, it's big, y'all. Okay. So when you walk over here, I'm trying to figure out where all the lights at, okay? So, okay, here it goes. All right. When you walk out here, it is a 3-car garage, so 2 and 3 on that side. Why is it all the way? Why is this breaker box open? So on this side, y'all, I'm gonna make this like my little gym area. Well, I'll try to close it later. But on this little side over here, it's a little private side. I'll make this like my little gym area, and then the cars go over here. So it's a 3-car garage. This is 2, and then that's 3. Okay. Turn off the lights in here. It's time to pay light bill. Okay, I like this because I do not like people to wear shoes on my carpet. So I like that this is built in. It's like a sitting area, so I'm gonna put like a little seat here, and you know, you sit there, take off your shoes or whatever, put them down there, and then I'm gonna put like some pretty little shenanigans up there. And then as you go this way, you have a half bathroom, just a regular half bathroom. Yeah. So a regular half bathroom. And then this big room right here, it is a washer and dryer. Already comes with it. Tall. Everything is so tall. Got cabinet space. Washer and dryer. Then you got an area back here. This part is the master room. Downstairs master room. So, I got a lighting when you first come in. Shoes are off, honey. Shoes are off because y'all see the color of that carpet. I mean, I'm per Sam. Okay, so when you come in the master room, it has a closet, a short closet right here where I guess you can put linen towels or extra bed linen and stuff right there. I thought that was so cute. And then you have the storage closet here. I thought that was so cute too. You got a outlet. Yeah, I thought that was real cute. You see, put some shenanigans under there or whatever. It's probably like a storm closet. And then as we go in, as we go in, this is the master bedroom. Very tall ceilings. Though it's so huge, y'all. It is super freaking huge. Super freaking huge. Okay. Then this is the master bathroom. Double sinks. Double sinks. Hers and hers, okay? Mine and mine. Like they say. Okay, yeah. And then I got the shower right here. Marble floors. Marble tile. And gotta leave this for last. This is the favorite part. I love taking me a freaking bath, y'all. I love a bath, okay? Close this window. Okay, and this is, you know, the toilet area, okay? And then, y'all, this master closet is huge motherfucking enormous, okay? Let me tell y'all. Shrek. So when you go in, you go all, still walking, y'all, all the way in, around, all the way over. So yeah, this is so, the camera is not giving. Let me see if I could, okay, there we go. Look, that closet is baby, it's literally huge. Okay, so that's the master closet. Y'all know I got a thing for the closet, honey. Turn the lights. Okay. So as we come back out, we have our stairs. So as we're going up the stairs, I'm still trying to find where all the lights sit, y'all. So work with me. I don't know where all the lights sit. We turn. It's more stairs. More stairs, more stairs, more stairs. There go the lights. So these are the stairs. Go down. Okay. Okay. We got an upstairs loft. This is the upstairs loft. So freaking huge. I was thinking game room, put a pool table up here, you know, stuff what my son can do. Then you look over, downstairs. Put this AC on. Oh, it's it. Okay. So, this is the closet here. It's a hall closet. This is the upstairs bathroom. Love that. Double sinks. Sorry, y'all. Moving. I got on pajamas. That's why y'all ain't gonna look at me. Oh, let me get over here. Like the shower here. But my son got the double sinks also. Then he already picked his room. This will be okay. I guess they turned this part off. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know how to do it. Y'all, I do not. Oh, there you go. Okay, so basically, this will be my beauty room. That bulb, the bulbs that's not like a white light, it'll be getting changed out. So this will be my beauty room. Closets all the way back there. This where my vanity and everything will go in here. They said don't worry about this closet. This is basically where the water heater and stuff at. So yeah, everything gets like freaking brand new. It's a light up in here, but I don't know how to turn it on because they got a light right there. But I get the picture. It's cool, but everything is like freaking brand new. These are some new homes, so that's why I picked this room, because my son was scared of that. But I mean, everything is freaking brand new, so no ma'am. This is my son room. This is huge. Maybe he likes to be nosy, honey, so he get to see the neighbors, the new neighborhoods, and all kinds of shenanigans, okay? And this is his closet. It's pretty huge. Go in this deep vaulted ceilings and around. Okay. And I love how his walls are shaped. So y'all, this is the house tour. Okay, turn these lights out. All right, bam, bam, boom. Back downstairs. Back downstairs. All righty. Yeah, this is the house tour. I hope y'all like it and enjoy it. It's amazing. I'm so thankful. I'm grateful to God. And I can't be no more happier than what I am. You know, I'm just blessed, y'all. Just blessed. Sorry I'm not showing my face because of the fact of, you know, I look a mess and I've been trying to move some stuff. And I'm hot and I'm frustrated. But yeah, this is the house tour, y'all. And I love it. And I'm so thankful to God. Y'all, oh, let me show y'all this backyard. Y'all, they fell in love with my backyard. Y'all, look at this backyard. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Like, stop playing. So y'all, that was the end of the house tour. And I hope you guys loved it. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these figures down like a demo. You don't really know you.